Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight we're doing a video on Cancer, and we're doing a series on the dark sign of the different signs, and a little bit about Cancer. It's the moon, the crab, feelings, and it's a water sign, and the moon meaning superficial. It's mood, about their mood, stuff like that. Oh, and for the dark side, sometimes the Cancer finds it rather hard to face life. It becomes too much for him. He can be a little timid and retiring when things don't go too well. When unfortunate things happen, he is apt to just shrug and say, whatever will be, will be. So, if you master your dark side, and you'll reach your full potential. Okay, all the readings are for love, soulmates, twin flames. Please like and subscribe, share, donate, and comment. Press the red subscribe button below. It's free. Thanks for all the donations out there. We love all the Cancers out there. Our favorite cross watchers, someone you like is a Cancer. This is for like-minded people connecting. I meditated and prayed on the cards. The moon is in Scorpio tonight. The first card is the Tower. Shock, loss, insecurity. The collapse of an idea or relationship. The Tower is construction of hope and ambition, which is destroyed by the primal energy of fire. The disaster also symbolizes the tower of ego and pride before a fall. What you have fabricated falls down, and there is little you can do to avoid the situation or repair it. Yet you can begin again and be all the stronger for it. You can begin again and be all the stronger for it. The next one is the Star card. Inspiration, guidance, clarity of purpose with this. Great potential. The water symbolized creativity and its flow, the memory as the past and present flow together. So past experience give you the wisdom to make dreams come true with this. It's a nurturing card showing that you are tending your garden well. Ideas flourish as fertile conditions for success and happiness with this. Okay. The next one is the Moon card. A dilemma, suppressed doubts about how to move forward in a relationship. Negotiations close to your heart. This is, you may need to come to a decision on your own. If you feel trapped, look beyond what you think is possible. The dog and the silhouette with the wolf. The moon guides your boundaries, showing the limitations may be self-imposed. So these might be self-imposed boundaries. As the emotional moon symbolizes intuition, your dreams may hold guiding messages. So, guiding messages with this, okay? The next one, 4 of Cups. There's a vague sense of boredom coming into a relationship. After the romance comes a quieter time of adjustment. So you may be in a transient phase when excitement wears off and your relationship either deepens or dissolves. You may be feeling disillusioned about meeting a partner. Whatever your circumstances, it is time to rediscover your faith in finding love that lasts. You'll find love that lasts with this. Okay. The next one, the Nine of Swords. Victimhood. The 9 reveals depletion, danger of becoming a victim of stress and extreme anxiety. This may because you are run down and subject to an illness due to constant battles with colleagues or family. You do have the inner strength to get through this testing time. So you do have the inner strength to get through this testing time now, okay? The next one, giving and receiving. Relationships take loving, balanced energy. You've worked hard to understand yourself and others. Now it's paying off. You are being rewarded with joy and fulfillment. Is there someone in your life who could benefit from what you've learned around the matter of the heart? Take some time to share your insights. Be careful though. Don't try to solve people's problems. Just be a mentor. Also look for other ways that you can be of assistance to those around you. But be sure to give only what you can and no more. So give only what you can and no more, okay? In the spirit of balance, be open to receiving support and inspiration from other people. The universe is waiting to help you. Your blessing at this time will receive additional favors if you ask for what you still need. Trust that you will receive it. So you got to trust it and you will receive it, okay? Oh, that's right. I hope everybody went and voted too. I got my voting sticker on still. Here's to the Oracle deck. Deservingness. You are a beloved child of God, like everyone else. You deserve to receive the support that will allow you to focus upon your divine life's purpose. Even if you can't yet recognize your lovable qualities, trust that God and the angels can see how amazing you truly are. And here's a gorgeous angel with a rainbow around her. Very beautiful. Next one. Successful funding. Your idea is divinely guided and supported by the same infinite wisdom of God that gave you the idea. Do not allow money concerns to prevent you from turning it into reality. Crowdfunding, partnership, and other investments are available to help you. Here's a beautiful mother angel with a baby angel in there. Very nice. More. Unlimited ideas. Your mind is one with God's infinite mind. Therefore, you have complete access to unlimited ideas, guaranteed to bring blessings. All you need to do is to take divinely guided action to allow these ideas to come to fruition. So they will come through for you, these ideas. Beautiful angel in the moon silhouette. One more. Let go of guilt. When you allow your light to shine brightly, you inspire others. Forgive yourself for what you think you've done or not done. Trust that God loves you unconditionally for who you are. Learn and grow from past mistakes instead of berating yourself for them. And there's 3 beautiful angels in that one. Very nice. So this concludes the video for Cancer. Please like and subscribe below. And donate, comment. It's free to subscribe, so just press on that subscribe button. Thank you everyone who subscribes. We appreciate you watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks a lot.